Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to sell your picture on the Foap application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, tap on this camera icon down below, and then you should select the picture you would like to upload and then sell it. Click on it and then click on the done button in the upper right corner of the screen. Then you should add a description to your picture. After that, you should add tags by tapping on the add tags button, type it in, and here you can add 4 or more tags. Then click on the OK button in the upper right corner of the screen. After you are done typing in your tags, then click on the OK button again. Tap on the publish button in the upper right corner of the screen. As you can see, it is being published now. So it might take a few seconds, but after that you will be able to publish your picture. So basically that's pretty much it for this video, guys. That's the process how you can publish a picture, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.